Hey friends, welcome to the Healthy Life Aim. Please press subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and never miss our latest videos.
Ginger tea, benefits good for men. 1. Relieve nausea. Drinking a cup of ginger tea before traveling can help prevent the nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness. You can also drink a cup at the first sign of nausea to relieve the symptom. 2. Improve stomach performance. Useful in improving digestion and increasing absorption of food, ginger tea can bloating after eating too much. 3. Reduce inflammation. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory properties that make it an ideal home remedy for muscle and joint problems. In addition to drinking ginger tea, you can also use it to soak inflamed joints. 4. Fight respiratory problems. Ginger tea can help relieve congestion associated with the common cold. Try a cup of ginger tea for the respiratory symptoms associated with environmental allergies. 5. Improve blood circulation. The vitamins, minerals and amino acids in ginger tea can help restore and improve blood circulation that may help decrease the chance of cardiovascular problems. Ginger may prevent fat from depositing in the arteries, helping to prevent heart attacks and stroke. 6. Strengthen immunity. Ginger tea can help strengthen your immunity due to the high levels of antioxidants in ginger. 7. Relieve stress. Ginger tea has calming properties that may help lower your stress and tension. This is thought to be due to a combination of the strong aroma and healing properties. Thanks for watching this video. Hit a like, turn on the notifications and enjoy receiving more from Healthy Life Aim. Hoping to see you next time.